Who's that? Who is this? Who is this? What pretty hairstyle? Who is this? New do hoodie. Hi there. Hi Phillips. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here. It's a little bit chilly, a little bit windy outside, but we have life. We are good. How are you guys doing? I feel like I don't have in my earring. I can feel it, and I'm right. Anyway, you guys, it's been a busy morning here. It's just around midday and so much has happened already. Everybody is home today because I chose not to send Tyler to school today because Tyler is not feeling well. He have a little runny eye, he is sneezing, his nose running, so no water for him and no school. So I keep him home. I'm gonna keep him home for the next 2 or so days. I think I'm just gonna keep him home tomorrow too, because Wednesdays there's no school here in France, so at least that 3 days can help me to remedy him and offset things and kind of get him ready back for school on Thursday. His teacher sent to work this morning, so I can still have him doing some schoolwork from home. So yeah, that's what's going on. Sarah is okay though. She's done for a nap. It's just around midday, so I'm about to take her up and feed her lunch while I'm going to find something and prepare for Tyler's lunch. Babe is out. Baby's gone to the supermarket while I stay at home with the kids. He went to the doctor this morning because one of his appointment for his full body check and his head scan was this morning, but the head scan wasn't today. I think the head scan appointment is in a month, just to see what is probably causing his recurring headaches. So the process starts today with some of the tests done, but everything that he did this morning came back normal, is okay. So that's one thing done and that's out of the way. But how are you guys doing? Enough of my rambling. Give this video a thumbs up right now because you guys are continuing to help us grow. Yes, love you guys. Thank you guys for all the continued love and support on every single video that we put out Monday to Friday. If you're new here, yes girl, we never fail, you know what I mean. Anyway, I have a lot to do around here, so I'm not gonna stick around with you guys too long. I'm gonna send you on your way to continue watch the rest of today's vlog to see what we're up to while I go and look after my babies. So have a good day, stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. Love you guys. One love. You see me?
Mama,
yes, Ty?
there is a word that's a little bit hard.
Break it down and you'll be able to say the word. Let me show you guys, Tyler.
I can say the word, but it's hard to say a phrase with the word.
What's the word?
Arlequin.
Arlequin. C'est quoi arlequin? Oh, it's like a clown.
Yes.
Oh Lord, I can't help you with that one. You're gonna have to wait until Papa comes.
I know.
When Papa comes, Papa will help you with that one. I don't know a phrase to tell you with him.
Maybe the one with the Joker and Spider-Man.
Maybe. Papa will give you a better phrase with that one. Say hello to the fans.
Wagwan.
Why are you home today?
Because I'm sneezing so much.
And Mama don't want you to get more sick, right?
No.
Right.
No.
So it's best to stay home. So you guys, also what I didn't tell you guys was I'm gonna also give you some medicine after lunch, okay, Ty?
Okay.
What I didn't tell you guys was that Tyler school have a new rule. You see, Tyler always show you guys his cute little mask that his grandmother made for him over Christmas. Tyler cannot wear those masks to school anymore, and it's not even Tyler's school, it's the president that have this new rule in the country where the kids can no longer wear kiddie masks. The kids can no longer wear masks that their parents make. The kids must wear the masks that either the city hall here provides or the blue and or the white ones that you buy at the pharmacy. So once the mask is made at home, they cannot wear it anymore. And if it's a kiddie size mask, they can't wear it anymore. They have to wear the big adult one. So that's a new rule started today. But Tyler didn't get to experience that because he's not out to school today.
And I'm happy.
You're happy because you don't like those masks?
Yeah.
Well, if you go to school Thursday, you're gonna have to deal with it. And if you go to when you go to school for the rest of the year, you're gonna have to deal with it, and that's okay. Okay, you have to just follow the rule. Okay, you'll get to wear your kid mask when your mama and papa is out on the street. Very good. You guys, I have to go come for the camera and show you guys where I just found Sarah in her room. Look at Sarah. What's the explanation? Hey. Singing ABC.
Sarah, what are you doing?
Why are you in the basket? Tell her she eat the basket.
She's sitting.
Yeah, she sits in the basket.
Mama, before it was Mama.
Yes.
Yesterday was the same thing. When we were playing here, she was in the basket, but she was that sitting down. She was
Standing.
Yes.
Look at her.
Two
She has
times.
zero. Sarah, are you doing caca? Okay, she getting. Let me see if she can get up by herself. You can get up by yourself?
No. She can't.
So she getting it. She must climb up on the couch and get in it. That's the only way.
Or if she did this. Only
Sarah, let me see how you're gonna get out. She not getting it. She pick up what she want to go back to sit down in the basket. Come, you need to change your pyjama. It's time to take off the pyjama. Come. Come. Come, Sarah. She's too cute. Who's that? Who is this? Who's this? What pretty hairstyle. Who is this? New dude. Who this? Who this? Who that? Say hi to Faves. Say hi. Watch her face. Say cuckoo. Say cuckoo. Say hi. Head. Mama give you a hairstyle. Hairstyle. Mama give you a hairstyle. Yay! Good job. She says she's singing her ABC. Alright, Mama gonna have things to do. Have to make lunch for Papa until he come back. Yes, Tyler.
Mommy's hurting.
Good job, princess.
Mommy's hurting.
It soon feel better. Oh, my bottom is
Baby, quit
hurting.
singing Daddy Kaka King.
Bravo. Alright, you're gonna go play now. Go. Sarah is in a full outfit of what Tyler used to wear. We used to call Tyler Monster Butt when he wear these pants. Hi, you're looking beautiful. You're looking so pretty. My baby in a hairstyle. She look like a little big woman. You're performing for the face.
Mama.
Yes, Ty.
Speaking of Disneyland, what is the most Delaveaus? Can we go to Disneyland?
Yes, when there is no more corona. Don't jump on the couch, you know that.
Footy! Mama, I think Sarah wants water.
Do you want water?
Yes. She
Not
has
sure.
the water.
Karen, come give me.
Yes,
She
potato.
want water. Right to me, she coming. Yeah, water? Yeah, water? Water! Look at she over there. Somewhere between being busy, I managed to make this lunch for Babe and I. It's just shrimp fried rice. So I have shrimp in here, rice from last night, and corn and some other things. So yeah, lunchtime.
Special gift is
Sarah.
yes. Sarah. You see her? Sarah. 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 Sarah.
That's jumpy.
And this special gift for today.
You're full of energy that I should have sent you to school. Not with this running nose. Alright. Supermarket haul.
Sarah.
Hi guys, I'm exhausted. Supermarket make me exhausted and it was full and
That's why you love when I go supermarket with him. I had planned to go, but the fact that we kept Tyler home today.
supermarket. Well, somebody have to go and
Gotta be there.
I'm the somebody.
Sarah.
So
See something to say.
Go ahead.
Sarah is special guest, so guess what she did? She gave me something.
Alright, well, you're
that's
gonna
my
start.
cereal bar special
That
treat.
is Sarah giving them to me. Sarah giving them to me.
Alright, let's go, let's go.
Oh,
This is what I was talking
What's
about.
up about? What is it?
That's what
Wait.
I was talking about.
You have to guess what it name or else you're not getting none.
You the boy.
What?
You the boy.
no, nem.
And then
I got a stop at the little Chinese section and I get name. It was somebody making it, so I got two pack of
Tea.
phone name. I know the family love this, so that can be a fail. Normally, that can be a fail.
We got this for Tyler.
Got this for Tyler, full of mouchoir for Tyler.
Because his nose running like a river.
Turkey. I don't know somebody's into Turkey right now.
Yes, I have
Maybe
my
soon she will
moment.
want to fly to Turkey.
Sorry.
Don't touch anything. Go up.
That's
Just
for
do
the
the hard
special
part.
bake of the weekend. The special bake
Yeah.
of the weekend. We need
Baby, I
four
told
pepper.
you not the brown one. I
I
want
took
the
the natural
white
one.
one.
The thing is,
I have the brown one already.
I only find this one. Sorry. Sorry.
This is for...
Biscuits.
Your biscuit.
Stop touching. So why you buy the dark brown one? They didn't have a lighter brown?
No, that's the one there.
Okay.
Yeah, you see, guys, I killed myself at the supermarket and she just come.
So is who tell you to kill yourself, sir?
Kill myself
Who
at the
tell you to kill
supermarket.
yourself, sir?
Supermarket mean killing yourself. You tell me to go to supermarket, so you tell me to go kill myself. Quinoa. Tell her slow.
You're not supposed to be touching.
Happy biscuits makes the family happy. We need it.
You only buy one?
Yes.
But Jesus, look at Sarah going in the bag.
We have some bags.
You didn't see the Philadelphia cheese in box?
Yeah, big box.
It's the box you should have got.
Why is the same
Because-
thing? What's wrong?
I'm just saying. I prefer the box to be.
They're the same. It's just the inside.
I said I prefer the box to be. Come! Let's see if you guys can figure out yet what our
I'm not gonna talk. I'm gonna take the pain inside me.
That's what Papa takes for you.
Chocolate bread for Tyler. I try not to eat too much from Tyler.
He said he wanted peach. I forget to tell you.
She didn't tell me.
But I wanted peace.
You see how great, I love how grateful is my family. Definitely her song.
Alright, next week we buy peach, okay?
Tomorrow.
Next week, go back up on the
That means
step.
tomorrow.
Would not give me up too early then. You want me?
Alright, give me next.
Wait, take up the ones close to you. Because you're yesterday your drama.
That's the green bag. We have two celeries, that's fine. I mean, you like the size?
1, 2.
You like the size of the celery? Is it correct for you?
Yes, it's very correct for you.
Good. 1 point. 1 point of a million points at one.
Only 1 point you get. You don't deserve no more. Stop. Do the hard.
Cucumber. What cucumber used to? I never saw you using the cucumber. It's
So
like
when you drink
juice.
everybody. Green juice. Green juice. Stop put the banana at the bottom of the bag. They're squeezing out.
And also the battery
What
is
song is
dying.
this?
And also the battery.
Yes, that's all that battery is dying.
We have some cheese here, some broccoli cheese.
Yes.
Yes, 4 broccoli cheese. I don't know where the broccoli goes to.
Ooh, Papa got
Green
the
bean, we have
Papa, you
lettuce.
got the rasta. You got the rasta.
Yes,
Yes.
Ow, Jesus, sorry, I dropped the
Ginger.
cup. I don't want it.
We don't
Mama,
care.
feel like this.
Avocado.
No, don't move. Yes.
Alright, let me come to the dirty bag on my
She's
head.
a rasta.
Yeah, we have avocado. Avocado.
What about avocado?
Say it, avocado.
Avocado.
Say it properly.
Avocado.
Yes. We have apple. Same thing. I don't know where the apple goes.
Green.
You don't see your son eating apple yesterday. You didn't see that?
No, I didn't see it.
I'm sorry, keep dropping the bag.
We have apple. You feed the cow with the apple.
Yes, we should let go with apple. Oh, yes, Sarah one. Tell her, what is that? You guys hear Sarah scream at the Nella scream just now? Alright, what I tell you last week about stop shouting.
And then we have chicken here, chicken and saltfish. Saltfish.
Cereal for the daughter.
Cereal for
Oh,
Sarah.
you're smart this week.
Yes. No
Everybody in the house
chocolate.
loves style snack, this specific one.
I don't like
No, I prefer
chocolate.
my cookie. I prefer my cookie.
That's true. So why you tearing my clothes up?
I like this, guys. That's a cereal bar for the kids, I guess. It's like a Chocapic. It's Nestle. I don't know if you have that in your country.
Well,
It's a Chocapic in cereal bar. I love it.
something stinky in the bag.
Oh yeah, that's my. I fell for some things. I didn't know what to. I didn't find no cake for me. But when I went at the cheese section, I find this
You find
big
heaven.
cheese. Oh, and I say for €1 something, you know, we have cheese for our cheap. For €1 something, we have this.
The French chicken came out today.
Mama,
I needed it.
Mama,
No
you
kiss
have
after
a
that
tail.
cheese.
You have
I
a
don't care. I
tail.
prefer the
You
cheese
have
to
a
the
tail. You have a tail.
Make sure when the cheese done, make sure when the cheese done, you have that same energy. Move!
What is this, guys? Something to drink.
What is it?
What else?
You have a tail. You have a. Papa, look, you saw. Mama has a tail.
Apple
Mama
fish.
has a tail.
Apple juice.
Mama have juice for mama.
Not for me.
Grape juice. We are into grape juice. Actually.
No, not we. You and Tyler.
Gwe.
And say thanks to me because it's me bite when you're sick.
Thank you. I say it, you never say it. Pineapple juice. Tyler wanted pineapple
Look
juice.
at sorry to the bag.
Yes.
We can't get away from them.
Basmati for the British.
Mama, what
You
do
can
I
have Marianne.
Zucchini and carrot.
And orange juice for the princess. Princess don't drink box orange juice. Princess drink real orange juice.
Oh yeah, she's the queen.
The queen. Yes, Sarah. What? Me not pick up somebody today. You go on with yourself. If no one cousin, he bring up 2 salmon today. Even if they're smaller, he still bring up 2 pack. What you do behind my back?
Mama, why you every time have a tail?
Lemon. We have
Little
lemon and.
tail, little tail,
And
come
you
here,
guys,
little tail.
actually, I don't feel for you. I don't feel for yogurt.
So why you buy it?
For your daughter.
Yeah, but why you didn't buy 1 pack if you
Because
didn't see
8 for 7 days, 4 for 7 days, that doesn't work. So 8 for 7 days it works.
But she has some in the fridge.
Alright, 7.
She has some in the
7 days in the
fridge.
week, 7 yogurt.
She has some in the fridge. Hey, stop.
What else? Something else you mean?
Tell us stop. Alright. We have raspberry,
No,
strawberry,
I want this strawberry.
and fish. That's the end.
Mama, I want
And we
this
have a bag of
strawberry.
potato.
Mama,
And we have a case of milk for the
Mama.
queen. Wait, let's finish end the vlog. Let's end the vlog. Yes, Ty.
I wanted some strawberries. And then you finish to wash all these. Can I eat some strawberries right away?
The strawberry is frozen, so you can't eat it, but I can use it to make smoothie.
I'm a smoothie.
Okay, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul because it's our head.
One smoothie.
You guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul for today. No, you. Go wash your hands.
Whew, guys,
Go, wash your
it's not easy having 2 kids.
Too energetic.
It's not easy. So for people who have more than 2, honestly,
Hats off.
oh yeah, that's 2 kids. Oh. Whew. plus a wife, she's like a kid, so that's 3 kids for me at home.
Just himself, when I leave out himself, so that's 4. That's 4. Is there your elephant?
Look at your data.
Anyway, you guys, that's the end
Mama,
of the haul for
it's too
today.
hot.
So you turn it to cold. Alright you guys, here goes dinner for today. A whole lot of Sunday Monday. This is from last night. I just made some broccoli and threw names in the oven. Yep.
I'm eating I'm eating pasta, sausage, and eggs. That's not a Sunday Monday.
There's not a Sunday Monday for you.